Good morning. Here we are again. It is July 13th, 2026. It's Monday. So hopefully everybody had a great weekend as we get started here. As always, we are currently, we have a little bit of, what do we got here? Something got messed up here. There we go. All right, so currently on the 13th here, we have 14 20-point wins from midnight, 9 10-point wins, and 7 losers. Currently right now, I am $700 in the hole. I had played here. Here was a loss. And then I played this one to take some of the market back as it moved back in there, got me out for break even. So I didn't get much of it, just made for a scratch trade. That's out of there. As of right now, there is no news. There's some bombing with Trump. Last night or over the weekend, they fired on a ship. Iran did. There was some statements of the Iranian leader. Things are up and down. Some political folks been around for a long time, passed away. So we're in the middle. Once again, let's just use this. The 29,000 is the low that we're holding, and the 31,000 for the Nazi is our high area, so the 3,000 points. People are talking about gamma being positive. Tomorrow we do have a big number. We'll play what's in front of us. CPI is tomorrow Central Time. That'll be taking place, and so we'll have to watch out from that perspective of what happens. But we are looking to just play our levels here again on the transition setup. So this is your live stream showing you the signals from the educational perspective or entertainment, showing you a possibility of how to pass prop firms. And as I move forward on that, I keep track of it every day. This is World War III. We are looking to play our high probabilities of 18, 19, or 20s. They will show on the chart. Once they get shown, you would be able to follow them if you chose to or not. It's completely up to you. Since really, as we're on futures markets with NASDAQ, it is derivative trading, and derivative trading is very risky. And so once again, we are not advising anybody. We're not a licensed financial advisor. This is playing a game that we called World War III using prop firms to generate $400 a day. And or if you had 10 apexes, that would be 4,000. Or going into the area, if you had 2 or 3, the goal is to make $400. Then move up into 1,000, then 2,500, then 4,000. That's our overview. So a little bit of fluctuation here on a new candle that has opened up. We'd be looking for shorts, but the market is going to open here in 5 minutes. So generally we stay on hold a little bit, but I will keep marking these as we go through the process to follow what we do. When you are playing blackjack at a casino, if you did not have to put your bet on every hand and you waited for your 18, 19, or 20s, you would have an 87% win ratio. That's what we do. We focus on the probabilities as if we were a quant, looking at multiple playlists that we have and multiple ways to not get set like, well, let's try to get 50 points. No, we play with what the market is, hence why we have 20-point wins. These are 10, 20, 30 plus point wins. And then the 10-point are where we have multiple contracts in. We get 10 points. The rest move to break even and take out, which we call scratch, because we're scratching some of the contracts that we have. I am playing 10 micro minis, I should say, and out of those 10, I take 5 off, then 3 and 2. You could keep a runner, but these are the percentages that you see me. I keep track of that for the full day as well. As I do that, you will have a full day overview of the numbers that place. You can look in the past of what's taken place, but once again, we are looking to make that 400 plus a day on a single prop firm, and then if you had multiples, you can figure that out yourself. So there's a quick little overview of what we're doing, where we're trying to head towards, and how we will play the market, which is called World War III Battle of the Financial Markets. There are battles that are taking place, and we are looking to understand the momentum of those battles and get on with that at that time. Right now, we are in the middle. We would still be looking for shorts. There's nothing set up in the market right now. Otherwise, there's a possibility of the bigger goal to get all the way down to 583 and then probably be a reaction off of there. So up above, we got a long ways to go. From the Globex market, it pushed up, meaning from when it was open on Sunday, bounced around or whatever, made a low, and then pushed up around midnight, all the way from a low of 545. So if we test that low, that would be our overnight low, and then we pushed up, and now we're having a retracement back down prior to the market opening here. So we are going to go ahead and play this, which we just did. Let's see if we can get some reaction back down, otherwise they'll go to the high side.
Order submitted.
A little before the market, so it dropping down, popping up. We're looking for it to continue back down. We'll play it tight, so if we can lose that 688, we'll move down there, and then obviously need to get below here of 83, otherwise it's going to pop up against us and we'll have some work to do. So this is not good. We're going to follow this down. We have a back and forth here. So this is technically showing momentum up. Let's see if we can get a quick drop here or not. Otherwise, they're trying to push it back up to get into the highs again. Yep, there's a loss. So playing the market beforehand, we'll see what happens here. We are in the middle of back and forth before the market opens. 1 minute here before the market opens. So probably flushed down on us, took us out. There's the market open. So here's a back test, like I had said. So we're looking at a quick 50 points up and down. It's happened to be on the wrong side. So quite a bar there, Monday. ES making new highs. All right, we have some time here. We're waiting. See what happens. Still wants down here. Or would be looking for shorts. Generally, when we play this and get this green bar, we know it's going to fail on that original trade. See what happens here. There's the 10 taken out for a scratch.
Order filled.
Can go for more, but we don't chase. We get what we get. We don't throw fit. Yeah, still sitting on its highs. It's waiting for the market to set itself up here. ES is pulled back into after it already gained the highs and is sitting there. So it's not lost what it moved above. It's attempting to, but it has not. If it does, ES gonna, or NQ is going to dump real fast too. So you can see in your view, target down below, like I said, 583. See what happens around this area. Just sitting on my hands right now. There's 583. Popping back up, 93 would be a scratch trade. There it is back up. So from 83 to 93, not get to 603, so not be 20. But this is the Asian low area, so having a reaction there makes sense. See how strong they are. If we're pushing it down or not. So we're just staying patient here. Market's been open less than 15 minutes from the cash open or New York open. So let's just wait. We got a little work to do. I'm in the hole. So that last trade that went against me, took a little bit back. That scratch trade.
Still weighing or building up?
The test of the lows, are they going to sweep the lows and pop or just continue? It looks like continuation. See if we do or not. It's got to drop fast on me.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Monday. Two wicks on the bottom, finding buyers out of there, not continually pushing back down, 4 major momentum down. So
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Which way do we go? Which way do we go? So just a big bar on that red bar for the short, right? Being taken out, popping up to those highs, not making a new high for it to necessarily fail, even though I played it that way. Just gets a little fluctuation back and forth around that area of 583, but drop. So I'm going to stay patient here. Wait for a couple more trades. Obviously, this 14, 20 points. By the end of the day, that thing's going to be up in the 20s probably, pushing up the scratches into the high teens. And as long as the losers stay equal or below the 10-point wins, it will work out for a positive day. It's just a numbers game. Oh. They just keep, right, shorts are there and then they pop back up, take you out, and then move in the direction. So it's just a matter of a little fluctuation on Monday. Got the yawns this morning. Obviously, you can see this where they sold before, so I'll see if they're going to squeeze them or not, or just hold this area for more down. Ugh, excuse me, man. Point move off the bottom. ES back to its highs. See what they want to do here. MNQ, go a little more. Go for a scratch.
Order filled.
just can't get that push down, right? So close or whatever. I mean, you're looking at 01. So I need to get to 81 to get there. We don't. We get the 10 out of it, scratches me out. Here it is, darn it.
That feeling when you're trying to build your credit, and it's like over and over again. Good news, Chase Credit Journey can help you with a personalized score improvement plan provided by Experian. So when you still need that credit built, you have the guidance you need. You can even get a Chase Secure banking account with no monthly service fee if you're 17 to 24 years old. Hallelujah.
This tool is for education purposes and doesn't guarantee you'll reach your credit score goal. The score you receive uses Vantage Score 3.0 model and may not be the model used by lenders. Member FDIC.
Okay, we're going to see if we're going to get another short here. Could go a little higher, otherwise dump here and go down and test those lows. So we're still looking for a short here. Unless it gets above 639s and it gets a little iffy. Can go make a new high here like it just did. So we'll see what happens here. I have the marker there, 644, like I said. If there's going to be a lot of momentum, it can still go up and play around this area for a range. Otherwise, go up a little bit higher, then dump, and can dump pretty hard. We'll find out, but we're in the middle here right now. So they're attempting to push this up, and there needs to be a test of 44. There it is. Now we'll find out what we're going to do or not. We're still looking for shorts. If we cannot go make a new high here above 660, and they want to go test down that 560 again. And this is just kind of our range. So we have not made another new high. We have not made another new low. Candle just started, so this could be a little too big for us. You can drop back down and pop against me again. Need to lose that 28. ES is still in the middle. This candle goes red, I'm going to short. Did not. As always, just need a couple more trades. Darn it. Ugh. So we ended up getting what we wanted out of there on that short.
Order filled.
A little crazy on there. It'll take a while, but Dubai likes to build everything, right? Dubai a while ago said, well, we're going to build a new port to bypass the Strait of Hormuz. There you go. Just take them out. I love how financial Jews can't even keep up with the news. It goes down all the time. You're supposed to pay for the system that won't stay up. The drop came from Trump reinstating the Iranian blockade. So it's possibly they caught him off guard, meaning the drop for the news, and now they push it back up to only push it back down here again. So reconfirm, we'll find out. We get a close below right here, 580. It'll provide a short signal. Could pop it up here again, but all we can do is play it one step at a time. We'll find out and then push it down. And or wait for it again. We could be in the middle here. All right, so there's a new high. So that signal is taken off, being preemptive. We go ahead and look to trade momentum here. If it wants to continue back up, we are just in a large range. Still looking for shorts. So we got a little patience here. 55 minutes since the market has been open. A lot of buyers down below when you look at the other charts, either 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. A lot of wicks on the lower side, so doesn't mean it can't go down. It's just that they are holding it before they go down, if they are going to. But as of right now, we're in the middle, still looking for shorts. Nothing's going to happen for a minute and 5 seconds here. No, not for a minute and 40 seconds. All day, all week. Yes, drop down on that, and now it's sitting in the middle again. Obviously, we are in a range back and forth. Who knows what we're going to do? We don't know. We don't know. Again, positive gamma. Back and forth, back and forth. That range 29,000 to 31,000. Nothing like a squeeze. 29,500. 200 points. Squeeze. Squeeze him. Now it's changed. We'll be looking for longs here, unless this bar doesn't close on the highs. Excuse me. Sitting on hands, nothing to do here. Mixed signals. The system says wait for longs, even though this could fire off, give you a red bar and work down and be a little aggressive. So I am going to grab a coffee and I will be back. What are you doing? Fuck. So there's that trade, like I said, for coming down on a short. If you played this out of here, fires from right here, but it's aggressive. And the bar timing is a little bit off. So again, being above here, if it comes all the way to high, I'm not playing that for a long. Come on, one of these days like this? Really hate this. It is what it is.
Order filled. Once again, we take what we get. We don't throw a fit. We wait for the signals.
28 points. Sorry, just seen your message. So generally what I'm doing is I'm entering, and then I have a 28 point stop loss on all the contracts. There's an ATM. If it pulls up, hits 10 points, moves to break even, goes to 20, 30. Obviously manage that from that perspective, but it's 28 points. So this is a buy right here. I'm a little late getting in on this. Should have fired right here. So 50 up to 60 is 10 points. Should go a little bit more. I'll play this tight. So once that gets up there at 8 points, it'll go to break even. There it is. There's 10. So either this becomes a scratch or goes up and hits the 20. I'll pull this down because I was a little bit late. The trade should have been right here from 50. So 70 is actually 20. So we'll see if we can go make a new high here. There it is.
Order filled.
So I'll trail this up then. This will go to at that 70. I don't want to, lose anything. I could lock in 10 if I want, right? So it should keep going, go up, make a new high, lock this in, otherwise we'll just hold it. So there, we'll hold it. There's 10. Keep going up, go to 20, go a little bit more, get past this, and I'll lock in some more. Otherwise this will be taken out. It's a partial. Here it is. We'll just lock in the body. Oh, could have, didn't. Okay. So because this goes from this perspective here, this ends up being 20 points. So here's the entry. I didn't get in it at the exact time at 50. So marking this again just from the overview from here up to the high, get the box out of the way or whatever. Right, we have those highs. So this would be 16, 20 point wins or more. You could hold it for more out of there. It's up to you how you do it. There it is, going up into 98. So from here, obviously it's more. So 10, 20, 30 points, but these are the average coming out of there. Hopefully that makes sense. You can let the trade sit, right? Again, I'm a little bit in the hole for today. So out of there, if you had it, you could just let this sit at break even, go to the 30 points. You could, I have 2 left on. You could hold 1. It's up to you if you want. Basically, we're running on the prop firm, so we're trying to stay profitable, get those base hits out of there. Still would be looking for longs here if there's another setup. So and again, when I'm running this, if you're still here, this is starting this date here from a new day. So what are we looking at? Right, so July 13th right here starting. So this first one being below, you can see I mark these. There might be more out of here, but if you get your 20, 30, 10, 20, 30 points out of there, it works. And then that's where I'm keeping track of these. This fires, which it does right here, doesn't give me my 10 points, and it creates a loser, which is the dot there. And then the oval, you back to our price switch, is that it does give 10 points, moves to break even, and then gets taken out on that being a scratch. And hence why you can see taking the money out of here. I don't know if it'll keep going or not. Like I marked the other one 70 points, I showed you 436 or not. The market is obviously an auction, so it's back and forth. So we take out what we get. It's like the same deal. Sitting at a casino playing blackjack, you get dealt a 19 hand, you win. Do you throw everything in at one time? No, you don't. You get what you get, and then you play your next hand. So this number will go into the 20s. It's at 16 right now. This will move up to probably stay in the high teens for the day, and then the losers might pop up a little bit, but generally these losers are more. So if you looked at this from right now from a sequence, you would have I usually say 30, it's 28, but if I just use these to count them up, you'd have 10 you'd take away, so you'd have 1 10.1 winner here, and then you have to take 10 away from 16, so you'd have 6 20 point or more winners as of midnight. We'd still be looking for longs here. If there is a close above this candle here, this will fire green, which says get long. If not, then you're waiting. So new low, that candle's not going to fire. So it's a proprietary indicator that I use. Once you get a little back and forth here too, you can kind of wait, not have to fire. You should, just following the model. Again, at a casino, blackjack, I don't know when I'm going to get 18, 19, or 20, but if I get that, I'm willing to put my money in. If the 8 pulls below, the blue line pulls below the 14, then it's telling me I should be looking for shorts. And right now it's not. So if this pops above here, I will play this for a long, see what we can get out of it. Wants to ramp up real fast, play this range, give me the 10, 20, 30 points, great. If not, it only gives me the 10, then I'm safe on that at that time. So we have 25 seconds on this candle. Once it fires, which this won't, right, because this candle's lower, then generally, when you ask about that, it is 28 points. But as an example, since this candle fired right here, I would put to the low of the candle for the stop. So it could be less than 28 points. That's help managing these trades. So even though you might see a loser in here, there might not be exactly 28 points. The original one that I had, which we did not fire there, which would have been here. So this fired, here's 12, and then up to the high is 34. So by the time I just move it to the high over here when this fires, I don't actually take the 28 points. So now we have 30 some seconds, and we're looking for another long here. If it gets up to the highs, I won't fire, I won't play it. It's already reached where it wants to go, so my mouse is on the button. See what happens here. So there we are in. There we are, and there's 10. Moves up a little bit. I'm just going to move this up. Take care of some of the fees. Takes me out, so that makes for a scratch trade if it pulls back actually into here. Again, sometimes I might not get the exact entry in there, but there it is for a scratch. So from here, when we mark this, this fires. So this means it gives me 10 points, takes me out on the rest of the share. So I took 10, 5 out at 10, and then I had the other 5 that moves for a break even, but I covered the points out of there. So this would mean 12 as of right now. People ask all the time, could you wait for more? Sure, this could keep going, but the system is set up to take what I get out of the market. Don't throw a fit. And then usually I'll hold tight when we get into London. Bounce around here again. Then we look for the patterns. We're not making new highs, so if this puts in a red bar, it'll probably try to make a new low. So as we have this, from this perspective, let me talk about, we already know this, right? I'm going to, let's do it this way. Let's draw this up here, right? So again, here's the pattern, right? So I'm drawing from here. So here's the pattern. Whoops. Right, here's up. We make another red bar, which is right here, right? And we pull back down. Now we go up and put another red bar on. That red bar says that we should go lower. This red bar says we should go lower than here, so we do, right? And we pop back up. And then we have another red bar, makes a new high. So technically it should go lower than here. This bar should go lower than here, but because it doesn't, it's telling me momentum's up. So now we pause here off this bar, there's no red bar, and here we go. So like I said, we could have held. It was showing the move. Still take what I get out of there. It's kind of giving you a little bit of an overview. So now we're waiting. Longs are still in here. So if we continue this pattern, right, it's really easy to see. That's what we're looking for. So it's telling us longs right now. And then if the stream keeps going, sometimes I get busy or whatever else, I could keep it going. But otherwise, generally, I look to be positive and then move it forward, looking to make $400 like it shows on the other side of the chart, being a private. If you were an enlisted soldier, $400. If you had 10 Apex on, it would be 4,000. But at 400, it would be 100K a year if you make 400 every day. So you can see by the streams what has been made, what hasn't been made. So I will continue the process even if I'm not on here, but this is the overview of providing the signal. So just from the time that you've been here or left, if you would have played these would have worked out for positive on the two that you've been watching.
Order filled. Order filled. Stub filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Sam, for May's tournament, which is going to be on the 25th, Linda would rather not go. If Anthony has clubs, you might want to use it as an incentive if he wants to golf with us. Let me know.
Order submitted. Order filled.
As an incentive.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Have fun.
Order submitted. Stop build. Order build. Order submitted. Order filled. Order. Order filled.
How the fuck are you gonna get that out the front?
One, I don't want that. Where's your mother? Hmm?
Advisor is calling. This call may be recorded.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Come on.
Order submitted.
Go on. Daisy, go on.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.